How to use the Strava application for running. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Strava application for running. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to download this application from the App Store or Google Play Store, and then you can simply create an account on it. And once done, you will be redirected to an interface like this. So what you're going to do is click on Record over here at the bottom. And then you'll be taken over to an interface like this. You're going to click on Allow when they ask you for location. And over here, you'll be able to see Ride, Start, and Add Route. You can add the route from where you wish to run. You can click on Start whenever you're ready to run. So right now, you can see it is set on Ride. You can click on it, and then you'll be able to see various options such as Run, Trail Run, Walk, Hike, ride, mountain bike ride, gravel ride, e-bike ride, and etc. So now if you wish to set it up to running, you got to click on Run over here and then select your route, click on Start, and then Strava application will simply track your running. So that is basically how you can use Strava for running. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.